You can access the Trends tool by clicking into the My Money tab. From here, click on Trends. The tool allows you to easily view your income and spending habits over a period of time. Your spending is shown by category. Hover over any of these categories to view the specifics of your spending, or scroll down to use the list of categories to do the same. Click on any category to see a further breakdown of the subcategories within it, or click on any subcategory to isolate it on your graph. Click on View Transactions to see the specific transactions that are included in this category. Use the buttons at the top to edit your time range from 3 months to 1 year, or click on the list icon to view these icons as a list rather than a graph. Lastly, click on Filter Accounts to include or exclude any of your aggregated accounts.